Hello, Kaga. We're in Family Feud today.
Officially gets 10 out of 10. Score. The best game ever made.
Wow.
Should have put Donald Duck.
Oh my
Donald
god.
Duck is not a bird.
Yes.
He's a mallard.
No, this should work. Yes.
I swear to God, if it fucking works, I'm gonna kill all of you.
I swear to God, if this works, I'll have sex with Phantom.
On screen, in a shower.
A cold shower.
Oh,
The K is up there.
it work. It's gonna work, isn't it?
It's going to work, isn't it? Damn it! Ah! That would have been cool.
Ah. See, I
Shame.
told you. Ducks
I should have
aren't
gone with Road
birds.
Runner.
At least I'm winning.
They're mallards.
Well, Kaga. I guess you're not Donald Duck.
Womp